This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 is a foldable smartphone. It opens like a book into a large tablet style screen and folds back into a regular phone. It belongs to Samsung's premium Galaxy Z series. This smartphone has two displays. One is main display, which is inner display. Another one is outer cover display. The main display comes with 8.0-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X and it has 120 Hz refresh rate. Outer cover display comes with 6.5-inch AMOLED and also it has 120 Hz refresh rate. This smartphone powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite processor for strong performance and memory options are 12 GB or 16 GB RAM. Storage options are 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 terabyte. This smartphone comes with 4400 mAh dual cell battery and it supports 25 watt wired, 15 watt wireless and 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging. This smartphone comes with 200 MB wide camera with optical image stabilization and it has 10 MB with 3x optical zoom telephoto lens, 12 MB ultra wide lens and it has front or selfie cameras in both cover screen and inner display, which is 10 MB. When folded, this smartphone is 8.9 mm thick. When unfolded, this smartphone is 4.2 mm thick. Weight is about 215 grams and this smartphone has IP48 rating for water and dust resistance. Color options are jet black, blue shadow, silver shadow and mint. This smartphone ships with Android 16 and One UI 8. And Samsung promised 7 years of software update and security update. This smartphone has stereo speakers for immersive sound when watching video or playing games. This smartphone has high fidelity audio support for better audio quality in supported formats. This smartphone has audio eraser feature to remove background noise from recorded videos. The phone can detect unwanted sounds like wind or traffic and reduce or eliminate them. This smartphone supports Bluetooth 5.4. Now we will see what are the pros of this smartphone. This smartphone has large foldable display for multitasking, reading or watching content. This smartphone has high performance with Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and plenty of RAM. This smartphone has a powerful 200 MB main camera for sharp and detailed images. This smartphone has premium design and durability with water and dust resistance. This smartphone has long software support for up to 7 years. This smartphone has good charging options, included wired, wireless and reverse wireless charging. Now we will see what are the cons of this smartphone. This smartphone is very expensive compared to normal smartphones. This smartphone battery life can drop faster during heavy use on the large screen. This smartphone charging is slower compared to some other premium brands. This smartphone is still heavier and thicker than regular phone. This smartphone foldable display durability may be a concern long term, grease or hinge wear. Now we will see what are the customers' positive feedback. Users love the versatility of having both phone and tablet in one device. The camera quality, especially 200 MB sensor, is priced for sharp and detailed photos. The smooth software experience and foldable friendly UI are appreciated. Customers also like the 7 years of updates, which makes it feel like a safe long term investment. In US, the price of this smartphone is around $1,999. In India, the price of this smartphone is 1,99,999 rupees.